Composio AI has just been released, and it promises to revolutionize how you work with artificial intelligence. In this review, I'm going to cover the 7 crucial things you need to know about this powerful tool, and by the end, you'll have a clear understanding of why it could be a game changer for your workflow. Stick around because I'll reveal some hidden gems about this software that you won't find anywhere else. Before we dive into the details, if you're curious about Composio AI, you can try it for free by using the link in the description below. So let's get started. First off, Composio AI is designed to make your tasks easier and more efficient. Whether you're in digital marketing, content creation, or just looking for a tool to automate your work, this software does it all. It brings together the power of artificial intelligence with user-friendly design, making it accessible even if you're new to AI tools. One of the key features of Composio AI is its natural language processing capabilities. It can understand and generate human-like text, which means you can use it to create content quickly and effortlessly. From blog posts to social media captions, this software can handle it all, saving you time and effort. Whether you're writing a product description or drafting a whole website, Composio AI makes sure your content sounds natural and professional. Composio AI also integrates seamlessly with your existing tools. It works well with major platforms like Google Analytics, email marketing systems, and social media schedulers. This integration allows you to automate your workflow without disrupting your current systems. If you're already using tools for content distribution or data analysis, Composio AI can sync up with them, giving you a streamlined experience. Another standout feature is its ability to assist in SEO optimization. Composio AI can analyze the keywords in your content and suggest improvements based on the latest trends. This is incredibly valuable if you're looking to rank higher on search engines. Plus, it gives you keyword suggestions to help you target the right audience, which means more traffic to your website or social media channels. But Composio AI isn't just about content creation. It's also a powerhouse when it comes to data analysis. The software can process large sets of data and provide insights that help you make informed decisions. Whether you're tracking marketing campaigns, customer behavior, or sales trends, Composio AI breaks it down in a way that's easy to understand. You don't need to be a data expert to get actionable insights, making it ideal for businesses looking to optimize their operations. Another major plus is its customizability. You can tweak Composio AI to fit your specific needs, whether you need it to focus on certain types of content or tailor the tone and style of its output. You have full control. This flexibility makes it a great option for marketers, bloggers, and business owners who need a personalized approach. Composio AI also has an incredibly intuitive user interface. Even if you're not a tech expert, you'll find that navigating the software is simple. It's designed for both beginners and experienced users, so you won't feel overwhelmed by complex features or technical jargon. Everything is laid out clearly, making it easy to get started right away. Finally, it's worth mentioning that Composio AI is consistently updated with new features and improvements. The team behind it is actively working to make the software more robust and adaptable. This is great news for anyone looking to stay ahead in the fast-moving world of AI. So, to sum it all up, Composio AI is an incredibly versatile tool that can help with content creation, SEO, data analysis, and more. Whether you're a marketer or a content creator, this software is worth checking out, especially since you can try it for free by clicking the first link in the description below. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've found a few that I really recommend, and I've linked them below for you to explore. You'll also find Composio AI there, so don't miss out on your chance to see how it can improve your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.